What is the theme of World Olympic Day? Celebrating on 23rd of June 2024. 2024 జూన్ 23వ తారీఖున జరుపుకున్న ప్రపంచ ఒలింపిక్ దినోత్సవం యొక్క ఇతివృత్తము ఏది? లెట్స్ మూవ్ అండ్ సెలబ్రేట్. లెట్స్ మూవ్. Let's move and celebrate. Let's move and celebrate. Okay, students? Nice. So, at present, how many rings are Olympic flag? Come on, tell me. At present, how many rings are Olympic flag? Come on, tell me. 5 rings. How many rings are Olympic flag? 5 rings. So at present, how many rings are Olympic flag? 5 rings. 5 rings represented to 6 continents. 5 rings represented to 6 continents. Those are. So first one is blue. Blue coloring represented to Europe. Europe. Second one is black. BLOCK black. Black coloring represented to Africa, not South Africa. South Africa is the one of the country in Africa continent. Okay, students? Africa. So black is the continent. Kabatti black represented to Africa. Next red. Red no. North America and South America. USA located North America. So North America and South America. Red coloring represented to North America and South America. Next yellow. Yellow color represented to Asia. Yellow coloring represented to Asia. Okay, students. Next green. Australia. Green coloring represented to Australia. Australia, not Austria. Australia is one of the country. Australia, one of the continent. Okay, students. So, at present, how many rings are Olympic flag? 5 rings. 5 rings represented to 6 continents. At present, how many continents on the earth? Come and tell me. At present, how many continents on the earth? 7 continents. Why are you taking only 5 countries, 5 continents, 6 continents? So another one is Antarctica. Antarctica is the ice continent. Where was located? Where was recorded lowest temperature in the world? Vostok City, Antarctica, -88.2 degrees centigrade.